Hey, amazing subscribers. I'm happy to announce the release of my new book, The Football Betting Bible: Unlocking Winning Strategies for Profitable Football Betting. This book is for both beginners and pro bettors, and I promise you don't want to miss out on this book because in there, you are going to gain access to hidden football betting secrets that bet companies don't want you to find out. You are going to master the art of decision making, which will help you to make well-informed decisions and help you to develop a regular winning mindset through proper form analysis. It's not just that. Getting a copy of this book will teach you how to make daily income with football betting, how to make money every time with the accumulator or rollover betting system by using the ultimate low-risk betting trick that works 98% of time. This book contains all proven betting strategies and hacks of all the popular football betting options that you can think of. So if you want to gain exclusive knowledge from betting experts, maximize your betting profits, build a winning mindset, and make regular income with football betting, this book is for you. It costs only $6.99 for the ebook. The ebook is the one you can read on electronic devices such as phones, laptops, and tablets. But if you want to order the physical book from Amazon to your house, it costs only $10. Now, if you think $6.99 is too much to get a book with all this valuable information and you refuse to get it, the fact is, you could end up losing more than $600 to football betting without even knowing. The link to buy the book is in the description. If you don't know the description box, just click on this area and then the description section will appear. So secure your copy now, and let's embark on this winning adventure together. After getting the book, don't forget to leave a review so that I will know what you think about the book. Thanks for buying in advance and happy reading.